along the lines of being consistent is zipper management. Just so you don't pick up your case and gear goes flying. A lot of cases have 2 zippers, so I pick a spot and I make sure I always use the same spot. On my chair pack here, it's always in the middle. Especially important when you have a case that has a top grabber and you're grabbing this quick. Your zippers are open, boom. That's what's gonna happen in your equipment. It has potential to spill. Another tip is decide on a way to pack your bag and be consistent about it. This will not only help you to not forget equipment, it will also be able to let you have rapidly deploy. So for instance, first compartment here has all my licenses, my registrations, etc. This is where I keep my knee board, my checklist, my pilot book, my pilot logbook. This compartment is where I keep my controller. Okay, and this is my landing disc in this pouch, and I also keep spare props. And will house my aircraft, and I always keep my high-vis vest in there as well. If I have my SD card out for any reason whatsoever, this will never be closed. It will remain open until the SD card, micro SD card, is reinserted into the camera. Then I can close it.